The benefits of being an authorized user. It's no secret that establishing credit can be difficult, especially if you're just starting out. But what if there was a way to boost your credit without having to go through the hassle of applying for your own credit card? The answer might be in becoming an authorized user on someone else's card. In this video, we'll explore how to become an authorized user, the benefits and drawbacks of this arrangement, and provide tips for making the most of this credit-boosting opportunity. First, what does it mean to be an authorized user? Essentially, it means the primary account holder of a credit card has given you permission to use their card for purchases. As an authorized user, you'll receive a card with your name on it and be able to make purchases using the account holder's available credit limit. It's important to note that as an authorized user, you're not legally responsible for paying off any balances. That responsibility falls solely on the primary account holder. However, most primary account holders will expect you to pay your part. So why become an authorized user? For one, it can be a great way to establish or improve your credit score. When the primary account holder has a long history of responsible credit use and timely payments, that positive impact can extend to you as an authorized user. Additionally, if the card you've been added to has a high credit limit, it can improve your credit utilization ratio, which makes up 30% of your credit score. However, it's important to keep in mind that not all credit cards are equal. You'll want to make sure the card you're being added to doesn't have any negative marks in their credit history, such as late payments or high balances. If the account holder has a history of missed payments or high credit utilization, becoming an authorized user could actually harm your credit score instead of helping it. Another potential downside to becoming an authorized user is that you don't have any control over the account. If the primary account holder misses a payment or maxes out their card, it could negatively impact your credit score as well. In some cases, it may be worthwhile to have a conversation with the primary account holder about setting ground rules or putting safeguards in place to prevent negative repercussions for both parties. Overall, becoming an authorized user can be a great way to establish or improve your credit score, especially if you're just starting out. However, it's important to proceed with caution, do your research, and have an open and honest discussion with the primary account holder before agreeing to this arrangement. With the right card and positive credit history, becoming an authorized user could be just the boost your credit needs.